Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Etil Mariandi. I am from D7 class. I want to seminar my proposal today. My title proposal, the correlation between language learning strategies and student public speaking ability of the SMBN 1 Swela. Okay, the first, chapter 1 and the second, chapter 2 and the third, chapter 3. I want to explain one by one from background of study, scope of study, statement of study, purpose of study, significance of study. Background of study. State that language in communication tool used by everyone in their daily life as a mean to convey information, argument to each other. In this case, the language cannot be separated from culture because language reference its nation and has close relation to the attitude or behavior of group of speaker of the language. Okay, the second scope of study. In collecting data for study, the other will limit the research. The only speaking SMPN 1 Swela difficult are related different together. Statement of study. Is there a correlation between learning strategies and student public speaking in teaching speaking? The second, how the correlation between learning strategies and student public speaking in teaching? Purpose of study. Based of the statement of the study, the purpose of the study are to find out the correlation between learning strategies and student public speaking, and to find out how is correlation between learning strategies and student public speaking. Significance of study. The result of this research are expected to give benefit as follows. The research that this research will give contribution in education as the reference of teacher. Speaking. Definition of speaking to find what is speaking. Speaking as communication is a process to communication carried out in front of already audience or group people, general public speaking. Learning strategies. Learning strategies, students are accustomed to learning with plans, are adjusted to their own abilities. The second, students have different experience with their friends, although there are also their experience that are the same. Relevant study. Relevant study is something that has close relationship with the subject matter or something that is being discussed, researched, something relevant that has closer relationship, as well as the content of the research title is related to each other. Theoretical framework to know the comparison of students speaking, so we have to read more books or have frequent dialogue with the student. Besides that, we often give more rational or user strategic learning public speaking, or directly practice and practice. Hypothesis. Implementation of the correlation between language learning strategies and student public speaking ability. A. There was no significant correlation between learning strategies and student public speaking ability. B. Was significant correlation between language learning strategies and student public speaking ability. Okay. Research design. Chapter 3. The theme of this research was quantitative research. It is because the study analyzed the correlation between speaking learning strategies and speaking ability is non-experimental research that is similar. The export factor research in the day both employ data derived from experience variable. Setting up study. Therefore, this research was carried out junior high school in SMPN 1 Suela. District Suela is Lombok. Suela district is one sub located extreme to West Nusa Tenggara Barat. Population and sample of study. A. Population. The population in the SMPN 1 Suela 120 students, all of class from class up to 3 class. B. Sample. The samples of this study were students taken from all of population of the 5th semester student of English education program at SMPN 1 Suela. Data collection. Data collection, one variable of the study. In this research, there were two continuous variables that consist of speaking, learning strategies, and speaking ability. Two instrument of study. Instrument of study, there were two kinds of research instruments such as speaking learning, strategies, and speaking ability tests. Data analysis. After collecting the quantitative data on the two variables for each of student in sample. Okay, the first height. Student always or almost practice every day or every time. Medium, sometimes use it. Low, general, not use it, never use it. The practice speak English. Okay, the last testing hypothesis. This research was done in collecting data and got result of the correlation. But to answer research problem, the writer to measure what the hypothesis was rejected or not. The writer had two hypotheses in the research. Those are: number one, there is positive correlation between speaking learning strategies and speaking ability of English education study program student at SMPN 1 Suela. Second, there is negative correlation between speaking learning strategies and speaking ability of English education study program student at SMPN 1 Suela. To know the answer, the writer used both manual and SPSS hypothesis testing based on NSIG number significance. Okay. Maybe enough from my seminar today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.